video, we are going to see a problem on square pyramid. Here is the question. A square pyramid of 40 mm edge of base and 60 mm axis length is resting on one of its triangular face in VP. Draw its projections. So this is the question in front of us. Just by reading the question, it is understood that the type of solid is square pyramid. So first I'll draw the rough diagram of the square pyramid and explain the initial conditions. So this is a square pyramid having its base in the form of a square, and it has four triangular faces. And all these base edges are connected to a common apex, which is point O. Then these are the solid edges, or we can say the slant edges of the square pyramid. Now the condition is square pyramid of 40 mm edge of base and 60 mm axis length is resting on one of its triangular face in VP. First of all, it is clear that it will be in VP. It means the square of the pyramid, square base, will be in VP, so it will be visible in the front view. Now to draw the square, there are two conditions. Now there are two ways in which a square can be drawn. Either in this first condition, where it is resting on its corner, or the second condition where it is resting on an edge like AB. Now suppose if I take the first condition, that is resting on the corner, and when I will be tilting this pyramid, it will rest on this slant edge, which is O to A, and not on the triangular face. The condition is such that it should rest on its triangular face. So if I see the second condition where there is a triangle OAB, it is the triangular face, and when I tilt this pyramid, it will be resting against this triangular face. So out of the two, the second condition is correct. So we need to draw this in the front view because pyramid is there in VP. Let us get started with the solution. So we have an XY line here, VP vertical plane and HP horizontal plane. Since the pyramid is resting in VP, in the front view the square will be visible, and we are going to draw the second condition first. So here I will be drawing that square. Square is of 40 mm side. Taking 40 mm. Next, the sides of the square are perpendicular to each other. So drawing a 90-degree line here. "40 mm is the side of the square. I'll mark the rotations here. So 1 dash, 2 dash, 3 dash and 4 dash. Next, here is the apex, which is O dash, seen as a point in the front view because the pyramid is resting in VP. So projecting these points, and the apex, which will appear as a line in the top view. Now the height of the axis is 60 mm given. So I'll be marking 60 from here and joining the slant edges to complete the pyramid. These are points 1, 2 and 3, 4. This is point O. Here there is an apex. Now this is the initial condition. First I have drawn it light. Now I'll make it dark. So now here I'll make it dark. That is the initial condition of the pyramid. Joining the diagonals. Now after this, it is given in the question that a square pyramid of 40 mm edge of base and 60 mm axis length is resting on one of its triangular face in VP and draw its projections. So here if we see, the triangular face is O dash 3 dash 4 dash on which it will rest. So the question is in such a way that the pyramid will be completely tilted such that this face is made to coincide with VP. Next, if we see the top view of this, then O34 is the line which actually represents the complete triangle O dash 3 dash and 4 dash. So here if I make this line parallel to XY, it means that the triangular face is in line with VP, that is, it is resting in VP. So for that I'll have to make this line parallel to XY line. I'll take a point here, then measure the slant edge, making it parallel with respect to the XY line. Now this will be point 3 and 4, that is 3, 4, and here we have point O. So this straight line represents the triangular face which is O34. So O34 represents the triangular face, and now it is parallel or in line with VP. It means the triangular face is resting in VP. Next, after this, there is another slant edge of the same length onto the other side. So from this apex, I'll draw an arc. Next, measuring the base, and cutting this arc. So this represents point 1 and 2. Joining them will give me the edges. So here is the base edge. And this is the slant edge. So it's need to be made dark, but before that I'll mark the axis also over here. For that, keeping the same distance, measuring up to the axis. So I've drawn the axis. Now I'll make this inclined pyramid dark. So after making this pyramid in line with XY, that is the triangular face is resting in VP, we have completed the top view. Next, we have to draw the front view of this pyramid, and for that, the observer will be here, means looking on this side and drawing on the other side. That is the first angle method of projection. So observer is on this side. Now those points needs to be projected first which are closer to the observer. So here if we see point 1 and 2 is closer to the observer. So point 1 will be projected first. This is point 1 dash. Next, point 2 is on the same line as that of point 1. 2 dash. Next, 3 and 4. So here is point 3 dash and 4 dash. Next, there is apex O which needs to be projected. So this is apex O dash in the front view. Next, your outline will be dark because in drawing the outlines are never hidden. So I'll connect O dash 1 dash and O dash 2 dash. Now, as the observer is here, the triangular face which is O12, which appears as a line here, this triangular face will be visible. At the same time, this complete base which is 1, 2, 3, 4 will also be visible, and also that is forming a part of the outline, so it needs to be drawn dark. So the pyramid is visible in this way. This is the visible portion of the pyramid. When its triangular face is in VP, the pyramid will appear in this way. Next, about the hidden portion. If we see here, observer is fixed. This O34, which is the triangular face, is away from the observer. So that needs to be hidden. So first I'll connect this with a light line, that is O dash 4 dash and O dash 3 dash. These are the edges of the pyramid. So O dash 4 dash and O dash 3 dash will be hidden. Next, apex will be projected. So this is the axis. Then I'll give the dimensioning to it. So now here I will be giving the dimensioning. The base edge is of 40 mm, axis height 60 mm. And next, here we have drawn the pyramid as per the given question. So inclination was not given in this question, whether the pyramid is inclined with HP or VP. In place of that, they have told that the triangular face is in VP. So we have made that triangular face in VP, making it parallel with XY, coinciding with XY, and then we have projected its front view. So with this, we complete the question.